asking for a place to stand. We learn the language of systems and shape the future with our hands. From local streets to global tables, from insight to impact made real. We lead with clarity and courage, with minds that think and hearts that feel. Side by side, diverse and driven, different stories, shared direction, rooted deep, reaching wide, united by intention. We rise together, strong and clear. Every voice belongs right here. Side by side, we lead the way. This is Iwdc. We rise together, bold and wise, hearts aligned, our vision flies. When women lead in unity, the world moves forward strong and free. In classrooms, labs and boardrooms, in care and code and trade, we turn ideas into outcomes and values into change. No labels, limits, ceilings, no permission left to wait. We build economies of trust and future we can navigate. Not to compete, not to replace, to co-create. We're not